we can track individual performance to see how that individual is sticking to the training program, how well they're learning. I'm thinking for leaders and managers and companies, if they're training 100 people, they can look not only at the individual trainees, but they can get some sense of aggregate performance across the workforce based on that data set to figure out, hey, is this training program not just training each individual, but how well is this training our whole workforce?
Absolutely. So you can aggregate the data. Like, we collect so much data, we don't know what to do with it. So that's actually our biggest problem, is how do we export all this data? Typically, it's just performance stuff, but I mean, maybe George can talk to it as well. A lot of the stuff we do is we can track, like eye tracking, heat maps. I'll let you. I don't want to steal your thunder.
Yeah, the data is our problem as people who are trying to provide this learning solution is just having somewhere to put all of the data. So whenever we are creating experiences like this, we are gods of our tiny world. We have complete control over everything that's happening there. So as Matt was saying, not only can we get simple things like, did they complete this section or not complete it? How long did they take? But we can get information about their body position, about where they're looking, what they're touching. We can even get things like how much force that they're using. We can go right down to the most minuscule details. And the problem is I'm always getting all those minuscule details, whether I'm exposing it to you guys as data or not. So it's mostly about finding out exactly what the customer wants, because whenever we're building a telemetry setup, what we're doing is we find out what the customer wants and what's going to help them give their best training solution, and then we're able to provide that data. And we can provide that data in something as simple as a CSV file that you can then open in Excel or put into a simple database, or we can interface with your learning management systems and inject data directly in. If you have people logging into the VR headsets, we can take their specific data and apply it directly to their profiles.